Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sarah. Welcome to the Walnut English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is YLE 175 and this is my partner. Hello dear audience. Assalamu alaikum. This is me Raini Manar from the famous English Language Center, Bangladesh of the batch YLE 175. So today we will talk about our dialogue. So let's get started. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, and you? I'm fine too. Can I ask you some questions? Yes, of course. Who is the ugly duckling? The ugly duckling is baby. How many ugly ducklings the mother duck have? The mother duck have one ugly duckling. Who called him ugly? The mother duck called him ugly. How many ugly ducklings the mother duck have? The mother duck have one ugly duckling. Why mother duck chased him away? He is ugly. How many beautiful ducklings the mother duck have? The mother duck have 6 beautiful ducklings. Thank you for listening to us. Goodbye.